Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with floating xsums by Randall. So the wording might be a little bit confusing, so I'll go through some examples of how this constraint works, and that's why these videos exist, to clarify that. So in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. And additionally, we have these floating xsum clues. So think about these shaded cells, like this one here. We're going to end up with a digit in it, like a 5, for example. So let's say we end up with a 5 here. What this is saying is go in the direction of the arrow. In this case, there's 2 arrows. Let's just go right for no reason. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at this cell that's immediately to its right, whatever digit it is. Let's say it's a 2. So if the digit immediately to its right is a 2, then we count this cell plus enough to make 2 cells. So this cell and this cell, but that's 2 cells just immediately adjacent to the right. And those 2 will add to 5. So we'd put a 3 here. So this would be a valid fill for this floating xsum. Again, the sum is 5. This digit being a 2 tells you we're summing 2 digits, including itself. And we sum these 2, and that makes 5. So another example would be, if this was a 6, this could be 3, 2, 1, or 3, 1, 2. It doesn't matter. These orders don't matter. The 3 does matter. So the sum is 6. This is a 3. And then we sum these 3 cells, and they must sum to 6. So those are the rules. Hopefully you understand it. The exact wording is shaded cells contain an xsum clue, which is a sum, right? Digits in the x cells in the direction of each arrow sum to the clue, where x is the first digit in that direction. So x equals the first digit in that direction, and that many digits sum to the value that we have put into the cell, which is the xsum clue. So hopefully that's clear. There is a link in the description if you want to try the puzzle yourself. I highly recommend you do, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, so it feels like we're quite limited on what these clues can be. So for example, just even naively, this can only sum 1 or 2 digits. So this is a 1 or a 2. But if it was a 1, then the sum would be 1, and we'd have to fill a 1 here. So this is definitely a 2. And this is 2 higher than this. So this could be 1, 3. We can't put a 2 here. We could put 3, 5, or we could put 4, 6. So that's how this one works. This one is the same. This has to be a 2. And we have the same exact deal going on here. 1, 3, 4, and 3, 5, 6. Okay. So every single one of these can't exceed 3, because if we sum 4 digits, it's 10, and we can't fill 10 into a clue. So all of these are from 1, 2, 3, so we might as well fill that. I think I got all the xsum clues. Hopefully I didn't miss any. I guess we'll find out if I did. So, and we can't put 1s, right? We already proved that we can't put 1s in them. So this one has to be a 3 in order to be anything at all. So that's quite useful. So this arrow pointing down this is going to be 3, 2, 1, and this has to be a 6. It's the only way 3s actually work. This could be 2, 4, or this could be 3 with a 1 or a 2 next to it. Oh, this can't be 6 anymore, so this is a 2. All right. So this, again, they're 2 apart. So this is going to be 1, 3, 4, and this is going to be 3, 5, 6. This can't be 6, so that can't be 4. Interesting. Okay, yeah. This sums 2 digits as well. So we have the same deal. This is 1, 3, 4, not a 3. So this is going to be 2 higher than that. So 3 or 6. Oh, and this can't be 3. Oh, nice. So this has to be 6 and this has to be 4. Very nice. This is not 6, so this is not 4. This 6 needs to go in this box somewhere. So that's a 6, that's a 4. Very nice. I think I probably have Sudoku to do now. So these 2 digits are a 1 and a 5. These 2 digits are a 4 and a 5. 1, 3, 5 go here. There's definitely a 1 here. Probably missing some really basic Sudoku. Yeah, this 6 goes here. These 6s look down. There's a 6 in one of these two. Not sure if that's helpful, but I'll mark it. 6 goes in one of these two. Okay, is it these X sum clues? We know one of these is a 3. Because it's either going to be 1 3 or 3 5. So if one of these is a 3, this can't be a 3. So this is the 1 5 that we don't use, basically. This is really interesting. Only one of these can be 1. So if this wanted to be a 3, this would be 1 and 2. Ah, okay. So we placed the 2 here. So this 1 isn't viable anymore. So this is 4 and 2. All right. Not sure when that happened, but it's definitely useful now. 1 3 5. 1 3 5. Interesting. Okay, we have this X sum. We have this X sum. This definitely contains a 3, so this one's not a 3. Okay, so this is 1, can't be 2 or 3, could be 4 or 5. Huh. Not good enough. Where's our Sudoku? One of the, 2. 2 looks down, 2 looks over. This is a 2. That's all our 2s, okay. What about 3s or 1s or, I don't know. I don't know what else we have Sudoku-wise. Oh, I have a 1 3 5 triple here. That's certainly useful. So this is 4 6 pair. Oops, 4 6. So I don't need that marking anymore. So this is also 1 3 5. That's not a 1. Okay. This is kind of interesting how this works out, but I don't know what to do with it. 1 3 4 or 5 can't be 1, so it's 3 4 or 5. I'm gonna end up with this whole thing marked and not have made progress. So I'm missing something more obvious. Probably something like a hidden. I'm gonna mark this just in case, but I don't think. Let's see. 1 2 3 can't be 4. Could be 5 6. Okay, there we go. Okay, I found a triple. It's a 3 5 6 triple, so that's a 1. Okay, so that was the only place for 1 in the column. That's what I should have been seeing. And that does quite a bit. Maybe? Maybe I spoke too soon? Okay, what else can we find? So 1 up here. Okay, what else have I missing? I have everything filled. 6 in one of these two, that's okay. So it must be this clue, right? Is there something going wrong with 1 3 or 3 5? I don't see an immediate reason that would be a problem. If this is a 5, then that's a 5. If this is a 3, then that's a 3. Both seem okay to me. Okay, if this is a 3, that's a 3, 1 and 4. This is a 5, that's a 4. Yeah, they're kind of just different. So I can't really get anything from that. I must be missing something with Sudoku. It's got to be Sudoku. What am I missing? Come on, find it. Scanning columns. Okay, I didn't see anything with columns. How about rows? Look at this. It's like we've got 1 3 4 5 and there's 2 of each here. No, I'm not. 3 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s, 2 6s. Wait. Oh, this point's down. Okay. I was doing the point right, but I wasn't doing the point down. This is clue adds to, that's why. Had to use that clue. There we go. The rest of it resolves. Sometimes you just don't see something, and that's fine. You see it eventually. It means that clue was definitely necessary to solve the puzzle, so there we go. There was this clue here too that I wasn't even using. Oh, I guess I couldn't. I did what I could from it. Very nice. All right, well, that was a cool idea, Randall. I'm sorry that the ending tripped me up there. It really shouldn't have. I just was ignoring this arrow entirely. I mean, I wasn't ignoring it. I was looking at it to the right, but I wasn't looking at it downwards when it was completely filled. So my apologies for that. But hope you enjoyed the solve anyway. And of course, if you enjoyed this content, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.